Hello friends and welcome to What's Logic, and in this video I'll be going to introduce you to uh, something different which is called plugins. So friends, what are plugins actually? So friends, plugins in WordPress are kind of you can actually say them a kind of softwares which perform different tasks which for example, uh, uh, first of all let's go to plugins. So and these are two plugins which are installed on your WordPress website: Hello Dolly and Accumate Anti-Spam. So Akismate actually. So let's go and click on add new. You can add plugin on your WordPress website. And for example, if I add a plugin about for example, let me add a plugin to hide this bar which is actually appearing and which is not looking very good to me. So let me hide admin bar. Let me search that hide admin bar, and actually it's called admin bar. So that's what I'm searching about, hide admin bar. And I'm going to install this plugin. Friends, it has now been installed, and when I'll activate it, what happens friends is when I'll refresh this page, the admin bar should disappear. Let's check around. Yes friends, so that's what actually a plugins function is. A plugin is friends a kind of software which functions which has a specific function, and you can customize and modify some plugins according to you if it has options. So that's what a plugin is friends, and that's what I wanted to make you understand about. So and that was a plugin. And friends, for now leave plugins, and now let's go to appearance and modify some appearance of our website. So it's not looking very good for now, so let's modify it. Go to appearance, and then first of all let's go to themes. So actually, what is the theme friends? Theme is a friends a kind of look of your website, that how actually your website will look. Will it look like this one or something different? So you can see here as a theme is set up like this one. So it's looking like this one. So you can change it by selecting any of the installed plugins, or actually you can click on add new to add a plugin. And friends, what plugin I actually like is called Lighthouse. There are different plugins available on internet. So friends, here the plugin is, you can install it, or actually you can preview it also before installing it. So it's installing, and then you should activate it, because at one time one theme can only be activated on your WordPress website. And now you can see that friends, now you'll see that our Lighthouse is installed. You can see that Lighthouse has been activated, and this has been deactivated. And when we'll refresh this page, our page look should change, and now you can see it's looking something dynamic which we wanted actually. And now it's looking something better than that fuzzy logic which was 2816 by WordPress itself. And it's looking now better friends. So now we're ready. And friends, the next thing which I wanted to tell you is customize option. So friend, every theme has actually a customize option to which you can customize, so according to your needs. So first of all, you can see here there are many options. First of all, it says that site identity. So it says to select any logo. You can select your logo of your website. When you see media library, no files available, let's select files. And then if I'll go to pictures, and so let's save it for as PHP for now. And it's uploading now, and now let's select it. Crop image, fine. And friends, now our site identity or logo has been made with this leg, and now it's not looking that much better friends. But so let's remove logo. It was fine without the logo. And select site icon. So friends, what is actually a site icon? Site icons, friend, actually you can see here simple icon which is appearing on the title bar of this site. So every site has an icon. You can select there, select image, let's set it to PHP, and it's not going more than that, so that must be fine. So crop image, fine. And friends, now it should, you would see that our site icon, this website has now been changed. And if you publish this and refresh all the pages, then you would see that site icon changes, you can see, so that's what a site icon is. And then colors, actually you can change the color of your website. You should test it, experiment, go and experiment on this layer, so you can experiment, see different things. Actually it's all about to change the color of your website, but color for my website is for nice, so I don't want to change it. Header image, friends, actually this image, it wants to say which image do you want to change. So let me select this one. Does it seems fine? Let me check it for now. So let me change it to this one. And friends, you can also upload an image. Click on add new image and then upload your own image. Background image, friends, it's all about the whole background of this site. Let me show you what is actually it actually is about. So let me upload a big image. So let me choose this one. And then find choose image. Then you can see, friends, the whole website is covered with this image. So that's what it was actually about. So fine. Menus, friends, actually I'll tell you menus in later on videos, so skip it for now. Widgets, also skip it for now. Homepage settings, friends, it is the same setting of your homepage. It must be a static page or a latest post. So in the settings menu as it was. Additional CSS, leave it. Post option, friends, full post or post accept, actually leave it, but actually that is the same setting which was available on the in the settings option, which was about that a post on homepage must appear with full text or with uh, an overview. So that's one. And we'll refresh our website, it should change, its looks should change, and that's how it changed the look of website. So that's what it is about, friends. So I'll see you in next video.